Sacred Heart Mushanga rigarukire ryashataguze bya senior ya kana kandi ayitukira ishomereri tushangire kitagururo kirya higuru.
We really thank the Lord. Msima mkama kubasa kutenza results ezo mutano wako kwetu mibiri abiri etano abo kuba bizaseza zitungire ezo mutano abana bona bintu bine ezi na dizi kandi twine mwana no mu mishomere ya Sacred Heart yireyo i
Sacred Heart Mushanga tunishererwa munonga ababiji bita bakozereje munonga ubwo mwaka 2025 usi results bine ezi bitano cyana na mukaga bine bizi 10 rushanju na nemwe bine sizi rushanju mushanju abasingirwe bine bakomere hardi na dim mushanju zonka.
Obusinguzi bwabo nababwegekera okutaho omutima n'okutiina Ruhanga.
Particularly in English, we have 103 A's, we have 174 B's, and we have 123 A's. And this has been because we encourage our students to speak English and to do the reading.
We really thank God for this performance. It has been so great. I'm so happy for my biology. My students performed so well. I expect to have the biggest number of candidates now in the A level with A's and B's.
Sacred Heart Mushanga etwire nekora kurunjo mwaka hagundi hati bagarukire bakikora. Gasha kwa Sheikh Abdulatif.